Oh, today I'm going to unbox the Coconics brand laptop. It's made in Kerala. The MRP is 7,800, but you can get discount up to 10% if you are ordering. So it's written that made in India. Let's start. So this is a bag, very cute type bag. You can keep laptop here. The branding is there. Bag is quite good. Here it's a main laptop. Keep inside. This is a user manual. And this is a charger and adapter. You can charge. The wire length is good. So it is an actual product from Coconics brand. Let's get started here. I'm going to on the top. Here they have given the battery indicators, on off switch here. I have given the specifications in the description box. You can check out there. Language selection is there. It has all the Indian language: Gujarati, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and many more. So because it's made in India, so they have given all the languages. So if you are doing work from home, it is very good and value for money laptop. Secondly, it's made in India, so you can go, no problem. I have given purchase link in the description box. You can go and check out there if you want this. Thanks for watching this video.